like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. I feel like after the holidays, I had to take like a mini break just because I was so overwhelmed with the holidays, all the videos I was doing. Like I was pumping out tons of videos, but I am back with today's video. In today's video, we're doing a 2025 reset. I feel like after the holidays, I need like a major reset. I have to clean my whole house. I have to do some goal setting. I have to organize for the upcoming week since it is Sunday. And there is nothing better than a Sunday reset. I'm definitely on the lazier side today. Hair has been not washed for probably about a week. We are doing a little updo today. I'm just chilling out at home. I'm probably gonna go to the gym in a little bit, but I wanted to start by doing my cleaning first and foremost because I just need to get it done. And it's such a beautiful day, and I was like, you know what? I'm just in the best mood right now. I'm just having my greens for the morning. You guys already know. So I have been pretty consistent with my greens closer to the end of 2024. 2025, I really want to make sure that I'm so on top of it. And I've been preaching that to a lot of people as well. Like, let's make 2025 priority for greens. OxiGreens is where it's at. Okay, if you guys don't know what OxiGreens is, let me break it down for you really quickly. OxiGreens is by EHP Labs. Their #1 bestseller. I absolutely cannot live without it. I love taking it in the mornings, and there are a couple reasons why I love my OxiGreens. For one, it has your daily greens intake in just one scoop. The scoop is honestly not even that big. Secondly, it does help with a lot of bloating issues that I have in the past. Just certain foods don't sit well in my stomach. I know a lot of people are different in their own ways. Sometimes things just don't work out for everybody. OxiGreens definitely does help with just restoring your digestive system. So today I am taking the Guava Paradise. I absolutely love it way more than the pineapple. If you guys have been here, I've been watching my videos, you guys know that I was on the pineapple flavor for a little bit, and honestly, it definitely tastes like the guava refresher from Starbucks. I don't know if you guys get that in the summertime. That's like my go-to drink, especially if I just need something like, you know what I mean? Another good thing about OxiGreens is it does have detoxifying properties in it, so it's gonna help with giving you a little detox as well. Like if you want to do like a 3-4 day detox, OxiGreens is what you definitely need. Another major thing that I absolutely love, and I rave about this all the time, the fact that it actually is enjoyable to drink, for one, and for two, there is no greeny or bitter aftertaste. Like it really goes down well. I can honestly chug it because it's that good. Like I know it's green, but it doesn't taste green. It definitely tastes like a guava drink. Cheers to that. One thing I always tell people to try from EHP Labs is their OxiGreens. I know some people, you know, they don't really go to the gym or they don't want like OxyShred, which has caffeine. They have caffeine and a non-stim version. I feel like the most common supplement they have is their OxiGreens, and it's suitable for everybody. And honestly, we're just starting off 2025. Why not try to be on top of your nutrition and your greens this year? That's definitely one of my priorities. So if you guys are wanting to try out the OxiGreens, I do have a discount code. It is SAIEFBaby. I will link it down below. You guys can use my code for 10% off. Let me know if you guys try this product because I definitely want to know what you guys think and what your opinion is. It's just inevitable to not get daily green supplements in actual real vegetables. So this definitely helps on top of the veggies that I do have during the day. That is my little breakdown about OxiGreens. You guys, this product has completely changed my life and my fitness goals, and it is definitely something I'm so happy I'm going into 2025 with. Definitely give it a try. Today's reset routine, I am probably gonna start in the living room as I normally do. I'm just gonna do deep cleaning here, and then we've got a ton of other things that I'm trying to do today. So let's get right into it.
Another woman that can take your spot, man. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you?
I am back from the gym, took a little bit of a break, so now I'm just gonna go into my weekly planner and I'm going to actually plan out the rest of my week and just the appointments that I've got for this upcoming week and for the rest of the month. I did buy this monthly weekly planner back in August. I like it because it has the month as an overview and then it has the days that you can just, obviously you guys can see that I really love to use my agenda. Like this is, if I don't write things in my agenda, I cannot function. Like this has to be filled out every single Sunday so I'm on top of everything that I need to do. So of course, because I have sponsorships, I have collabs, I have brands that I work with on a monthly basis. So I basically jot down everything that needs to be done. Every month is different. So that's why it's really important for me to actually make sure I'm doing this every single week. So I'm just gonna go into my calendar to double check what I have on the agenda. So if I don't have my planner on me, I always write everything in my calendar on my phone. And then when I get home or when the next Sunday is, I will just put it in writing in my planner because I just have to do that for peace of mind. So let me just see here. So for today, okay, hold on. So tomorrow I have to pick my new Fashion Nova products. I do work with them on a monthly basis. I actually am thinking about doing a new video tomorrow, so I'm gonna write that in. And yes, I am left-handed. For those that are new here or those that don't know, yes, I am left-handed and I absolutely love being left-handed. So let's see. Tuesday I have, I think I had something over here. What did I have? So I have to go into Luxe on Tuesday and then I'm gonna be helping them out with a couple of things. So I'm gonna be there probably for the remainder of the day. So that's gonna be the only thing on the list for Tuesday. So I feel like I have jotted down everything for this upcoming week. I'm gonna be spending a lot of time at Luxe, so that's honestly something I had already put into my agenda, but it is so important to be using an agenda, you guys. Like, if you wanna be organized and be on top of whatever it is that you're trying to do, this is something you need for real, for real. So I'm still not done cleaning. I just put a load in the wash and I'm gonna wait for that. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna be cleaning the bathroom. I gotta disinfect the bathroom. And I do that every single Sunday. Every single week.
Close.
Okay guys, for this week's meal prep, we've got chicken yakisoba. I honestly should have filmed this, but it was so quick and easy for me. And yes, this is week 2 of actually eating my meal prep. So this is what I cooked up. Literally didn't even take me an hour. Like, it was so easy. So the yakisoba was already made. I just had to put it in the microwave and then just mix it with the chicken. And here we are with my meal prep, starting off the week strong. So I just pulled all of this stuff out of the dryer. This is like my 10th load of laundry. I'm not even joking, especially towels. Because one thing is for sure in this household, we do not reuse used towels. Like, they do not go up on the door. They go right into the wash and we wash that immediately. Period. Y'all need to read up on that, okay? Y'all need to read up on that and you guys will thank me later. I just have to fold all of this and then I have to wash my bed sheets because I don't know if you guys can see this sort of stuff, but they're staining on the bed and I swear it's not from me, it is Jaws. Like, when she's sleeping, she's like drooling and like, you know what I mean? If you have a dog, you know. So it is just literally about 9 o'clock. I just did my meal prep. Honestly, I did so much today. I'm very proud of myself. I still have a couple of things left to do and the bed sheets will be the last thing. Definitely a productive Sunday for me.
Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. Furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been. I just been.
So since my bed sheets are currently in the wash, it's going to take about 45 minutes to wash them and then probably like an hour to dry them. So I'm just going to get ready for bed. I'm going to do my everything shower routine because I literally have to do that. I have to wash my hair. As you guys can tell, my hair is absolutely disgusting. And I'm going to do my skincare routine. So that's probably going to take me a good 45 minutes to an hour. And then once that stuff is done, I'm going to pop them back onto my bed and that's going to be the end of the night. So I will be right back. So my bed sheets have about 30 minutes left and it is just about 10:30. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna go and like do my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it so it's easier to style the next day. I'm basically just gonna put my bed sheets on and literally go to bed. I am exhausted. I feel like such a productive queen today. Like, I literally did the most. Like, I did everything on my to-do list and there's no better feeling than that, especially on a Sunday. We're just going into the new week strong. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below. I'm actually struggling for some video ideas, so please let me know what you guys want to see. I will be sure to do that for you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just wanted to show you guys the finished result of these beautifully washed bed sheets with my little monster on it. She is so cute, you guys. I cannot. Look at how cute she looks in this bed right now. Nothing better than sleeping in freshly washed bed sheets. Good night.